talk first.
We're in the car. This is the window over here. There's another window over there. Another window right there. Everywhere you see windows, and then one back there. Yeah, so we're in the car. This is not your TV show. And yeah, we just playing with the wrestlers. We pooping all night. Snoopy is constantly eating the camera.
Oh yeah.
And that's gonna be the problem. We gotta train this dog. No.
What was you even
Train the dog. What did you just say?
You see, that's how you eat a dog when
Shut
you're
up.
even talking to
Shut up. Yo, here, let's meet Snoopy pet owner AJ Styles. Puppy head.
Yeah.
I'm AJ Styles, boys. What's the name? Pet me, AJ Styles. Pet. That's all it takes, just a pet, just to put him to sleep.
Just to pet him.
No! Boom! I'm AJ Styles with the puppy head, smile, dominations, with the boots. And I love John Cena because he's my partner. He's trying to make John Cena and AJ work together finally. Hope John Cena and AJ really sees this video so they can come together and fight off the bad guys together. So, goodbye everybody. Hope you enjoy the new show. Goodbye.
Tomorrow is gonna be the AJ Styles show.
Yeah, goodbye.